Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So here with me I have my niece Saffron. I'll be combing her hair into a nice little kiddie style. I'll be using beads and elastic bands. So Mai, do you want to say anything?
Thank you for watching our video. Make sure to subscribe.
So she said thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe. Guys, don't forget to like the videos. Watch the videos maybe for 5 minutes. Subscribe, share, comment if you feel led to. And yes, keep the notification bell on so that you can see upcoming videos whenever I make a post. So let's get right into it. So here I am taking my comb. Guys, please don't laugh at my comb. This is the comb I love to use whenever I am parting any type of hair because it gives a clean part. So I always try to use this type of comb. Here I am using a Gorilla gel to keep the hair all together. So this gel will be used throughout the process of this video just to keep the hair from falling out. I will also be using a toothbrush to blend in the edges of her hair as I go throughout this process. This toothbrush will be used frequently. Here guys, I am attaching a bead to the partition. So remember, through this process, for each partition I will attach a bead. So I will be tweaking this hairstyle by just adding a little cornrow at the side of our hair to give it a more attractive look. So I have finished. complete the front of her hair, I am applying the gel rather, to the edges of her hair to give it a more defined look. I am so sorry I didn't get to film the back of her hair to show you what I have done at the back, but I have part out a small section at the back to give it a more defined look. I did the same procedure at the back, but more likely I part out a small section and leave out an afro, just to give it a little tweak to the style, because she also has a good texture hair. Her hair is very light, so I think a little afro would give it a more attractive look. Here we have reached the final look. So guys, this is it. This is the hairstyle, looking lovely, very kiddie. Let me know if you like this hairstyle in the comment section. Please guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with a friend. Until next time, thanks for watching.